they will have a division to do online. Or some manufacturers, they directly work with who? They work with the, we call it a life company here. But in China, there's one company called 3-ship networks. 3-ship networks, yeah. Okay? 3-ship networks. And you know how much the tax they paid by the founders? All the founders paid tax about 1 billion something, you know. They buy that tax, they billions. Okay? It was a shock, we paid billions renminbi of tax to government. So if we use Malaysia system, 1 billion is that you have to divide it by 30%, you know, which means let's say how they buy tax 1 billion. This is 1 million. Okay, so it has to tambah lagi. I think like this, right? No, I think like this. This is 1 million. This is 100 million. Yeah, 100 million, sorry, yeah, 100 million. So its tax is 100 million, not 1 billion here, 100 million. Sorry, because Chinese is lebih kurang 1 kosong dari from English here. Okay, so this is the tax you pay, 100 million of tax paid to the local authorities. Now, it convert to Malaysia, right? You kena bagi 0.3. So if I calculate how much is it, what is his earning for a year lah? So it's about 3 billion, you know. 3 billion of income in here. That is his gaji tau, bukan the earning from company. Itu gaji dia. And he's paying millions of salary every month. What they did, right? Just open life lah to sell the products here. To sell the products in here. So this is what we call about the changes of technologies on here. So you have to look at this, how it will affect you. Isn't it? How it affect your market risk, even though you are not directly involved into this. But what is your other division here? Like Bernard, actually you won't. Okay, you don't see any of your competitors sell Bernard online. Even if sell Bernard online, right? It's for marketing, it's for promoting of the Bernard cycle. Why? Because of only petani we have the Bernard. So even I look at the life also, I believe what I cannot do anything, isn't it? I can't Bernard, isn't it? So I cannot put the Bernard. So I have to be tanam, isn't it? So that's why some of the industry, not all the technology will apply for all, you know. But when your product here, it will be affected, no? Okay? Why? Because you're selling common products, like battery and others here. So like in here, changes in battery industry is battery boy. What is battery boy? They provide online services, door-to-door services. Okay? So then you look at the legal. Okay? This is a breach of regulations. Company Act, company used to sue third party for breach of contract here. So that's why we have adverse publicity, fines and penalties payable by company and officers here. Okay, so this depends on the changes of the authorities, changes of the rules. Okay, but so far our company is not affected by any of it lah. Okay, it's not affected by any of it here. Like for example, like let's say in previous year, few years ago, okay, one ladang kelapa sawit company, they kena sue from HRD. Why? Because of the capital allowance. Okay, dia claim tu actually HRD disregard, tak boleh. And also like 3 years ago, Genting has a license issues, isn't it? Suddenly, government had revoked, they didn't aware of it, so they still use it on the machine here. So these are the legal cases that your company may have if you're having like any of the special license on one-to-one here. But this one yesterday, it shows us these are the general license. It won't cause company into any of the like the legal issues in there. But yet this is still to be concerned. This is what we call as a legal risk of the company here. Okay, like for example, if you have some empty properties, let's say your building is empty, you do Airbnb, isn't it? Okay, so that's it gains income for company. But right now, if you are in Penang, right, you don't pay what? Why? Because Penang is already disallowed Airbnb, isn't it? And so let's say your company may own some properties for getting rental. So now actually how to get rentals? We rent out as a Airbnb here. So this will be allowed, isn't it? All the shop lots and even like let's say company owns condominium, you report by them too. Tapi when it's banned, right? So basically we have a legal risk when company doing it, and how should we adverse it? Why? Because right,
It's all about cost. For example, like